Welcome to 1131 South 96th Street, a fully furnished 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the sought-after Superstition Country community of East Mesa. This move-in ready home features a split great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, laminate flooring throughout, and 2-inch blinds. The kitchen offers a breakfast bar, pantry, smooth top range, built-in microwave, and is just steps from the convenient inside laundry room with cabinets. The spacious owner's suite includes vaulted ceilings, dual sinks, and a separate shower and soaking tub. Step outside to a full-length covered patio, low-maintenance landscaping, and 2 large storage sheds. An RV gate with parking, 1-car garage with cabinets, and additional covered parking add to the flexibility. Offered furnished, this home is ready for you to start enjoying the Arizona lifestyle right away.